Hi guys, Mr. Miller here. This is my video for students who have never used Jamboard before. Honestly, it's a very simple software. It's used to help people collaborate on a single idea or single question. A lot of people, I think up to 50 people can be a part of one Jamboard, but for our purposes, it'll just be the 20 or so people in our class. So this is the Jamboard for the strange video I got you to watch. And there's two particular questions I want you to think about. And to put in your answers, you would use one of the tools on the left, again, the sticky note in particular, and you would just click it, and you would type in your answer, and spell, and you could change the color of your sticky note, and then hit save. And then when you're all done writing, cancel, and then you can drag your sticky note to wherever you want. Try not to overlap anyone else's sticky note. You can also make your sticky note bigger or smaller. So again, I would like a sticky note of your ideas for question number 1. What is going on in this video? What did you notice? And another sticky note for does this video change how much you trust videos you see online? So a sticky note for each. Okay, guys, have fun discussing and watching.